Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Eric from WeGetTech. Fresh off the unboxing that I did for the Lenovo Legion Pro 2, of course I wanted to test the phone in an Antutu benchmark test against three of its hottest competition. So namely the RedMagic 6 Pro, the Black Shark 4 Pro, and the ROG Phone 5. So what are we waiting for, guys? Let's get this Antutu benchmark started. So before I go ahead and start the Antutu benchmark test, let's go over the configurations of each phone. So all 4 phones on my desk has the Snapdragon 888, and all of them has 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. The only difference between the 4 of them, except for the RedMagic 6 Pro which has 165Hz refresh rate, all the other 3 phones have 144Hz. So the ROG Phone 5, Black Shark 4 Pro, and Lenovo Legion 2 has 144Hz refresh rate. So before I begin the test, I'm going to be elevating all the phones because the fan on the Lenovo Legion 2 is at the back. So if I lay it flat on its back, then this fan is going to get covered. And so that might increase the temperatures on the phone and it will not be an accurate test. So now all 4 phones are elevated. There should be space at the bottom, guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to be putting all the phones on their maximum performance because I really want to see the highest score that you can get on each of these phones. And to load it using the Game Center, and in this one, so for the Lenovo Legion phone, you actually enable the Legion Assistant by pressing and holding. And I've added Antutu benchmark there. I'll turn on Rampage mode. So now it's going to be at the maximum performance, and let's make sure the fan is also on the high speed mode. So we all know on the Black Shark 4 Pro we can't load Antutu benchmark on the Shark space, so I'll just open it up as it is, guys. And of course, got X mode enabled on the ROG Phone 5, and let's add both benchmark and 3D bench. I'm going to be playing around with the performance settings now, so I'm going to put it as hardcore tuning and set the thermals at the limit, guys. Okay, so all max. Let's enable super performance. Okay guys, so now all the phones should be at their peak performance. So I've got high performance mode in the RedMagic 6 Pro, Rampage mode on the Lenovo Legion 2, and I've done hardcore tuning on the ROG Phone 5. So I'll be running Antutu benchmark version 9. So let's start the test in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, the test is done. Our big winner is still the Black Shark 4 Pro with a score of 832,445, followed by the RedMagic 6 Pro with 831,164. The Lenovo Legion 2 Pro has 823,635, and for some reason guys, like I told you before, whenever I max out or whenever I do hardcore tuning on the ROG Phone 5, scores go well below 800,000. So even though I maxed out all the settings there, I was expecting it to score a lot higher than any of these other phones, but it's the lowest of the bunch. So in terms of temperature, the coolest phone here is actually the ROG Phone 5. It only hit 33.5. The hottest phone on the roundup is the Black Shark 4 Pro. It hit 39 degrees. The Lenovo Legion 2 hit 37. And the RedMagic 6 Pro hit 35.7. So in terms of battery loss, of course, ROG Phone 5 lost 5%, 6% on the Black Shark 4 Pro and Lenovo Legion 2, and 7% on the RedMagic 6 Pro. Okay, so let's give the phone some time to cool down, guys. Hang on. Okay guys, so I've loaded 3D Mark here. I'm not going to be running the stress test just yet. I'll be reserving that for another video guys. But for now, let's run the WILD Life test and see what kind of scores you're getting per phone. So let's start the test in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so these are the scores I'm getting. I've got the Lenovo Legion 2 taking the win here with 5,778, followed by the Black Shark 4 Pro 5,754. In third place, ROG Phone 5 5728. And in last place, I've got the RedMagic 6 Pro at 5,694. Let's see here if I can get a temperature reading. Kind of weird here guys, I can't see any measurements that the ROG Phone 5 in terms of temperature. But the Black Shark 4 Pro is the hottest at 36 degrees, followed by the Lenovo at 35, and the coolest phone is the RedMagic 6 Pro with 34. So 2 benchmark tests done guys, 1 to go, and that is Geekbench 5. Okay guys, so Geekbench 5 loaded on all the phones, and of course I maxed out all the performance modes as well. So let's start the third and final benchmark test, which is Geekbench 5 in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, Geekbench 5 test is done, and the Black Shark 4 Pro takes the win again with a single core score of 1,133. Multi-core score is 3,720. So it won both those tests guys. In second place we've got the Lenovo Legion 2 1129. Multi-core score 3671 is also in second place. In third place, ROG Phone 5 1122 3667, and the big loser again here is the RedMagic 6 Pro with a score of 1,118. Multi-score 3,505. Now let's go ahead and run the compute test guys. And let's start this test again in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so Geekbench compute score is done. The Lenovo Legion takes it 4,774, followed by the ROG Phone 5 4724. Third place, Black Shark 4 Pro with 4707 and 4675 on the RedMagic 6 Pro. So to sum it up guys, in those 4 tests, the Black Shark 4 Pro won 2 times and the Lenovo Legion 2 won 2 times. So can you consider that these two are the phones to beat in terms of performance? We'll soon find out guys, because this is not the first and last test that I'm going to do with these phones. I'm going to be putting these phones through the torture or stress test, and we'll see how these phones perform under sustained loads. So I'll end this quick benchmark video here, guys. I'm going to plan out a couple more videos and have them uploaded on the channel as soon as I can. But until then, a sub would be massively appreciated. Please like and subscribe, hit that bell icon notification so you'll be the first to know once those videos are up, and see you all in my next one.